Have you wondered that to actually skills are required to earn money online, or without any skills can I earn money online? Have you ever wondered this? You must be thinking, what am I telling? What is this girl actually trying to say? I am trying to say that you can even earn money without having zero skills online. Yes, that is possible. If you want to know how, please move ahead and watch this video. Hi, I am Aishwarya and I make videos on how you can make money online and how you can actually market your brand online. I even make different learning videos. So if you want to check that out, you can go to my channel and watch all those videos. So without any further delay, let's get started with this session. So the first things first you have to do is you have to go to your browser. First, type in background removal. This is the easiest skill one can have. Click to the first link, that is remove.bg. This is a free website where you can actually upload an image and convert the background of the image to white background. Okay. So this is very easy skill. You just need to upload an image. I'll just upload an image and show it to you. Okay, so let's see how this works. Takes some time, and here it is. As you can see, the background of the image is completely removed, and you can download this over here. And okay, you can download this over here. You can even download an HD version of this image. So what you have to do is you have to prepare a gig in Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance.com, or any other freelancing website that you want to. Then you have to ask for the image that a client wants their background to be removed of. Then what you can do is put that particular image into this website, and you can download the image and send it back to your client and earn. So this is like very easy. Anyone, literally anyone can do this, and you can earn really good using this skill. This is very easy. Another easy skill is you can create any kind of posters, banners, or logos, and create a gig and upload it to any kind of freelancing platforms and earn online. Like I'll show you. Go to Canva.com. Go to Canva.com, and basically Canva lets you create any sort of logo or posters or banners or Instagram posts or any kind of thumbnails. You can choose from any existing thumbnail, or you can create a design customized on your own and create it and send it back to your client according to their wish. Well, I've made a video on Canva, a detailed video on Canva. You can go and watch it. The link will be in my bio. You can see in the drop down section below. You can go and check it out. The link will be over there. You can go and see the video over there. Okay, detailed Canva video. And here, as you can see, I made all these posts for my Instagram, and yeah, pretty much very easy to make. As you can see, these are inbuilt posters, and you can also use this, but first you need to actually know the requirement of your client and work accordingly. So this is Canva. Second is Canva. By using Canva, you can make any kind of designs, posters, banners. Okay, let's move to the third most easiest skill. Is just type in PowerPoint to PDF. The first second link that comes up, which is ilovepdf.com. This is the best. I think This works similarly to background PG, because here you just have to upload the PowerPoint that your client provides you, and it will be returned back to you as a PDF. You can download it and send it back to your client. By this you can actually convert a PowerPoint to a PDF. Okay, so this is another gig that you can make and earn money. This is like very easy and very reliable. You don't have to bother whether your PowerPoint will be destroyed or will it actually be hacked. No, nothing will be happen. Nothing will happen actually. All these websites are very reliable. I've used all these. I've been using all these and doing all my projects and all my work. So there's nothing to worry about this. Now the next thing is you can convert JPG to PDF. Here, this website I would recommend, smallpdf.com. Here it works similarly. You have to choose files from your desktop, upload it, and it will get converted to PDF. You can download it and send it to your client, right? Similarly, in smallpdf.com only you can convert PDF to JPG. It works vice versa. Here I've shown you how. This is the portal where the JPG gets converted to PDF. Well, there's another portal where the PDF gets converted to JPG in this same website as well. I'll show you. PDF to JPG. Here it is. Here PDF to JPG, you can convert it in the same website. So these are the 5 easy skills that you can actually learn and earn money online. I'll tell you another bonus point. Like I told you earlier in my video, that if you watch my video till the end, you'll get a bonus point. The bonus point is you can actually make PowerPoint. If you are an expert in making PowerPoint, then you can make PowerPoint and upload it. Not upload it, actually sell your PowerPoints and make PowerPoints for client and sell it by this No More platform. You can register and log in. You actually have to give a test here. After you pass that test, you will be able to sell your PowerPoints to international clients over here, right? This is the No More platform. As you can see, they are charging all these. You just need to sign up and give a test on PowerPoint. If you really work well on your PowerPoint, then actually you can earn a lot of money by creating just PowerPoint and sending it to international clients. So No More is a very renowned platform. There's no doubt in it. As you can see over here, you just need to register and give a test. Okay, you get paid in dollars in our hourly basis. So also another thing that you can do is you can actually create ebooks. If you are someone who likes writing, or if you are really proficient in your writing skills, then you can create ebooks on different topics that are trending. You can search in Google, like digital marketing, like IoT. You can search different topics and write ebooks on it and sell it online. So these were the very important but easy skills by which you can earn money in dollars online. So if you like my video, please put a thumbs up there down below. And yes, thank you for watching. Keep supporting, and love you guys. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. I upload new videos every week, and hope you like this video, and That's it for this session. Hoping to see you in the next session again. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The name of my Instagram handle is Rainbow Soul. The link will be in my bio, and also my Facebook. It is named as Aaishwarya Guha as the name of this channel. And stay safe. The times are really hard for everybody. Stay safe, wear a mask, and stay at your home and learn new skills. Happy learning.